Hey guys, welcome to Travel with Austin. I'm Austin. Today I'm going to be exploring this old building in West Virginia, right across from the Ohio River. So I actually found this through a different YouTube channel, and there were a few theories on what this was. The first one was a lighthouse, but that kind of got scrapped right away. The other ones that seem more likely is this is a lock house for when there was a lock on the Ohio Canal here. And also a steam power plant. So this is technically on public land. So let's look around. Okay, so we have this big thing. I have no idea what it is. Not gonna fall into it though. We're in the basement right now. Gonna do my best to not be seen. Although this is public land, there's been a lot of cars driving here. There's a private security firm here that was watching me fly my drone, which I thought was really weird. So that's methylquinone, it looks like it says, which is flammable. Yeah, so lots of old flammable barrels here, which does not seem good. Back that way is the parking lot. Lots of graffiti. I kind of figured this place wouldn't be as well known about, but it definitely seems like it is. I've probably been here an hour, and just the amount of traffic through here has been insane. So now we're on the first floor. The building's in great condition. Everything's made of concrete. So I think we can actually explore it all. Now, there are these stairs here, and I'm not going to walk all the way down. But basically, these stairs, like, continue into the water. Apparently, it's a great fishing spot. Then, if you look at the outside of the building, this is kind of why someone thought it was a lighthouse, because there is a little tower. Oh, there is something up there, so when we get up there that we need to look at. So we do have this big tank that I somehow missed when I came in here. Everything in here is made out of metal or concrete, so it's really just holding up to the test of time, and I mean, it feels very safe. So, of course, there are no more windows or doors or anything. So, can actually look out here at the parking lot, see my car. That part is wood, so we're not going to go up there. Wow, we'll just look up at this. Wow, you know what? Honestly, I don't know what this is, but I do see how someone could say it reminded them of a lighthouse, because that tower, it's got something in it. Now we're in kind of like a little shed closet area. Again, peeking outside, see my car. This area is much darker. Doesn't seem to be anything really in it. Yeah, I don't feel comfortable climbing up that ladder and going up there. But maybe I can kind of just jump up there real quick and see if I can see anything. So I don't know. Pause the video, I guess, if you wanted to see what was up there. Imagine there's really nothing up there, but still, who knows? Yeah, so this is, I'm going to say it's the abandoned steam power plant that was suggested, because I can't see any reason that this would have residential use. Perhaps it was what was used for steam to open and close the lock here, which I'm 90% sure the lock is completely gone from here, unless it was just further down the way and I don't know about it. So anyway, guys, I just want to show you this real quick. Really cool thing, in my opinion. It's awesome that it's on public land, although I'm sure they don't really want people in it. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe for more videos in the future.